Hello guys, my name is Rahil Khan and welcome to the Maeve bonuses review. Nowhere inside the members area of Maeve, and I will give you a full demo of this inside of this video, so stay tuned. Basically, in a nutshell, Maeve was created by Jono Armstrong. Jono Armstrong is a big internet marketer. Jono Armstrong generated millions of dollars with internet marketing. And in Maeve he reveals a secret hack that will allow you to harness the power of email with zero email list, the magic of YouTube without creating any video, and also the mighty force of Google Discover without writing any content. All with a single campaign and 10 to 30 minutes setup. You can reach millions of people at any time you want. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingertips. And they are going to show you how to turn this traffic into cold hard commissions. Traditional email marketing, YouTube marketing, and content SEO can't even get close to what Maeve is able to show you. Because you'll be able to strategically place your offer in front of the people who are in your niche and in the market to buy from you with a single campaign. You can use Maeve to provide lead generation service for any business in any niche, and it is infinitely scalable. So if you sound like something you are interested in, then stick with me in this Maeve review, because I'm going to give you more detail. I also put together some custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is listed down below in the description box. When you click on that link, then it will bring you to my custom bonus page, which looks like these. Now Maeve will be live on the 27th of July at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So you can click on any of these dark blue buttons and you will be redirected to the sales page. So what exactly the custom bonus you will get from my side? So our bonus number 1 is the Fuego Multiplier. It is a course where Jono Armstrong explained the clever strategy to generate traffic without email lists. As you know, the Jono is a very successful internet marketer and he generated $10,000 a month. And the best part is it is a step-by-step process, which help you to understand easily. Our bonus number 2 is how to build your list with solo ads. There is a course by Justin Spencer, and in this course he had explained how to make successful solo ads and earn lots of money. And all strategies shown by Justin is followed by his own and get a phenomenal result, as he generated $1 million. Our bonus number 3 is how to make $100 from your smartphone. Here you will come to know that how you can generate a $100 even from a smartphone very easily. And many of the people do these and they earn lots of money, so in these you will get a proven method to generate $100. Our bonus number 4 is how to make $100 with free traffic. Now again, this is the step-by-step program. And the amazing thing is, in this program also Jono Armstrong explain how to generate $100 with free traffic. Our bonus number 5 is all of the bonuses of vendors, including my custom bonuses I just talk about now, all you get completely free of charge. When you click on the Maeve, any of these dark blue buttons are on my bonus pages, and you will get access to all of these bonuses only for $12.97. Now let us go and have a look at the sales page. So here is the sales page, and you can see there is a video, as you can watch these video at your own time. And here you can see they benefit Google's weapon in its fight with Facebook and Amazon. Generates massive traffic to any offer in any niche. New artificial intelligence system. Secret hack that combines the power of Gmail, YouTube, and Google for daily commissions. Without an email list, making videos, or writing content. 100% newbie friendly with easy 10 to 30 minutes setup. Scalable to the moon. Works for online and offline businesses. And here there is a result that how much money they are generating. As I scroll you can see the Maeve working steps. And as I scroll down you can see there are many things in the sales page. So you can read all these things at your own time. And here you can see the testimonials of the Maeve customer, and you can see these video also, here these women explaining what result he got from Maeve. Here you will know how to generate money from Gmail, YouTube and Google. As I scroll down there are many things. If you want to get access, then you can simply click on these green button. Here they are mention what you will get from Maeve, you can check these. If you scroll there are many things I am not going through. All these things, as you can check these on your own time, and if you want then you can read these too. So go to my bonus page, click any of these dark blue buttons and you will be redirected to these sales page, right? Now I am going to jump into the member area. So have a look, this is the member area where you can see there is a lot of tutorial video, and all video is in a different part. First there is an introduction part video of Maeve. The second part is the introduction of Google Ads Discovery. The third part is resources you need, where you can see this 2 video. The fourth part is Express Bonus Page Generator, which includes 2 videos, and below the video there is lot of bonus link which you can download by clicking these green button. The fifth part to set up Google Ads Discovery campaign. The sixth part is how you can boost your conversion rate, where you can see one video, and the other is the link to access. The seventh part is a case study, and in these case study it include powerful game-changing video. Now the eighth part is debriefed, where you will be recapping everything that you have learned. And the ninth part is a bonus page part, as you had mentioned by the vendor. So by seeing these all videos you come to know how to access all the bonuses. And the last part is to scale up your income, and it's include 6 video. So there is a step-by-step tutorial which help you to understand better, and you can easily follow these whole steps, and these whole tutorial was explained by Jono Armstrong. So if you are interested in these products, then go through the link below in the description box. Here you can see Maeve front end starting the price is $12.97. In which you will get the whole course as we have seen now, and also the bonuses mentioned by vendors in my custom bonus too. You can go through these also for better understanding, as you can see. OTO1, it is the first upsell of this product. Ride the bullet train to Chaching Station. It will cost you around $67, and these benefits you will get with OTO1. OTO2, it is a second upsell of these product outsourcing suite, your 100% hands-free solution, and it will cost you around $397, and these is the benefits you will get with OTO2. OTO3, it is a third upsell of this product. Cheat your way to our pretty profits, and it will cost you around $97, and these is the benefits you will get with OTO3. OTO4, it is a fourth upsell of this product, Advanced Underground Marketing Strategies, and it will cost you around $47, and these is the benefits you will get with OTO4. OTO5, it is a fifth upsell of this product, never done before, mega sale for Maeve reseller license, and it will cost you around $27, and these is the benefits you will get with OTO5. OTO6, it is a sixth upsell of this product, never done before, mega value bundle reseller license, and it will cost you around $87, and these is the benefits you will get with OTO6. Fifth OTO and sixth OTO are different. So these are all the 6 upsell of this product. If you want more information about Maeve, then you can see the demo video also. Don't forget to check my custom bonuses. These all you will get 100% free of charge. You pick up cash in on bonuses even if you pick up a product of only $12.97, so that brings me today end these video. Thank you so much for watching my Maeve review. Thank you so much.